Your Excellency, I have the honor to present Mr. Tebuai Uaai, High Commissioner of the Republic of Kiribati to the Republic of Fiji.
Your Excellency, I have the honor to present the letter of credence which the President of the Republic of Kiribati, His Excellency Tanis Mamo, has addressed to Your Excellency, accrediting me as the High Commissioner of the Republic of Kiribati to the Republic of Fiji. I also have the honor to present the letter of recall of my predecessor.
Your Excellency, I am pleased to receive your credentials, and I welcome you mostly to the Republic of Fiji, and I wish you a happy and successful mission. Please convey to His Excellency, the President and the government, the people of Kiribati, our warmest wishes for your continued well-being. Please stand.